The Gamer Xtreme Gaming PC X1, Intel Core. Good, bad, or somewhere in between. I'll tell you in the next few minutes. So, let's dive into the meat of it. What makes this gaming PC tick? First off, the 32GB DDR RAM and 1TB ultra-fast SSD give you lightning-fast system startup times, smooth app loading, and responsive daily use. That means if you're a gamer who spends hours playing games between work sessions or a content creator who needs to quickly switch between projects, this PC is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. But here's the thing. What really sets it apart from other gaming PCs on the market isn't just those specs, it's how they're used. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 delivers stunning visuals, smooth frame rates, and powerful performance for demanding games. And honestly, you won't even notice the RAM or SSD if the game is running smoothly. And then there's the connectivity: Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, Gigabit LAN, and a range of USB ports mean you can connect everything from your console to your external monitors without any issues. It's built for popular PC gaming and everyday performance, so whether you're playing Fortnite or working on a spreadsheet, this desktop is designed to handle it. But let me tell you something. The one thing that really gets my goat about this PC is the lack of upgrade options. I mean, who wants to be stuck with outdated hardware in 2026? It's like the manufacturer knew exactly how long they'd keep this tech relevant and deliberately left it out. It feels like a missed opportunity. So, who needs this desktop and why should they care? If you're a gamer or content creator looking for reliable performance, this is the PC for you. And honestly, with those specs and features, it's hard to go wrong. But if you want something that'll be future-proof, I'd say wait for a sale. In conclusion, the Gamer Xtreme Gaming PC X1 is solid, but not without its flaws. If you're looking for reliable performance and don't mind living in the now, this PC will serve you well. But if you want to play the long game and upgrade your hardware as tech improves, there are better options out there. If that was useful, chuck a subscribe, new honest review every week, then the link below if you want it. Cheers, see you next video.